Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Today we are going to discuss some top 236 computer abbreviations from A to Z of 2022. So let's start our video. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and watch our latest computer related videos for your study. First one is computer, commonly operated machine, particularly used for trade or technology, education and research. AAC, advanced audio coding. AI, artificial intelligence. ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. ALGOL, Algorithmic Language. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. AOL, America Online. API, Application Program Interface. APT, Automatically Program Tooling. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ASP, Active Server Pages. ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode. AVI, Audio Video Interleave. ASCII, that is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. AT, Advanced Technology. AUI, Attachment Unit Interface. Basic, Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCD, Binary Coded Decimal. BHTML, Broadcast Hypertext Markup Language. BMP, Bitmap. BIOS, Basic Input Output System. B2B, Business to Business. B2C, Business to Consumer. BIU, Bus Interface Unit. BPS, Bytes per Second. BCC, Blind Carbon Copy. CC, Carbon Copy. CAI, Computer Aided Instruction. CDMA, Core Division Multiple Access. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. CAD, Computer Aided Design. CADD, Computer Aided Design and Drafting. CD, Compact Disc. CDRW, Compact Disc Rewritable. CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing. CROM, Computerized Range of Motion. CDROM, Compact Disc Read Only Memory, which is also known as the CD-ROM. CMD, Command. CISC, Complex Instruction Set Computers. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language. CPI, Clock per Cycle per Instruction. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. CUI, Character User Interface. DAT, Digital Audio Tape. DDR, Double Data Rate. DDR, SDRAM, Double Data Rate Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. DOS, Disk Operating System. DOC, Data Optimizing Computer. DOC, Documents. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. DVI, Digital Visual Interface. DVDR, Digital Versatile Disk Recordable. DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disk Rewritable. DBMS, Database Management System. DRM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DDL, Data Definition Language. DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DNS, Domain Name System. DPI, Dots per Inch. DNA, Distributed Internet Architecture. DARPANET, Defense Advanced Research Project Agency Network. DVR, Digital Video Recorder. E-commerce, Electronic Commerce. EDGA, Edge, Enhanced Data Rate for GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication Evolution. EDI, Electronic Data Interchange. EDP, Electronic Data Processing. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Compute. EB, Exabyte. EIB, Exabyte. EROM, EROM, Erasable Read Only Memory. EPROM, EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. EEPROM, EPROM, Electronically Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. Email, Electronic Mail. EFS, Encrypted File System. EDS, Electronic Digital Computer. ENIAC, ENIAC, Electronics Numerical Integrator and Calculator. FDC, Floppy Disk Controller. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. Fortran, FORTRAN, Formula Translation. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FS, File System. FAT, FAT, File Allocation Table. FPS, Frames per Second. FLOPS, FLOPS, Floating Point Operations per Second. FM frequency modulation, GB gigabyte, GIB gigabyte, GIF graphic interchangeable format, EDI graphical device interface, GPRS general packet radio service, GUI graphical user interface, GBPS gigabytes or gigabytes per second, 3GP third generation project, GML geography markup language, GSM global system for mobile communication, GHZ gigahertz, GIGO garbage in garbage out, HDMI high definition multimedia interface, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol secure, HTML hypertext markup language, HD hard disk, HDD hard disk drive, HPC handheld personal computer or high performance computer, Hewlett Packard or horsepower, HSDPA high speed downlink packet access, ISO International Organization for Standardization, IMAP Internet Message Access Protocol, Intel INTEL Integrated Electronics, ISP Internet Service Provider, Info Information IP Internet Protocol, IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4, IPv6 Internet Protocol version 6, IO Input Output, IOP Input Output Processor, IBM International Business Machines, IC Integrated Circuit, ICT Information Communication Technology, IT Information Technology, JAR Java Archive, J2EE Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition, JAD Java Application Descriptor or Development, JPEG Joint Photographic Expert Group, JS JavaScript, JSP Java Server Page, KB Kilobyte, KBD Keyboard, KBPS Kilobytes or Kilobytes per second, LAN LAN Local Area Network, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LED Light Emitting Diode, LLL Low Level Language, MAN Metropolitan Area Network, MB Motherboard or Megabyte, MBPS Megabits or Megabytes per second, MHz Megahertz, MIPS Million Instructions per second, MIME Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions, MICR Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, MPEG Motion Picture Experts Group, MP3 MPEG Audio Layer 3, MP4 MPEG4 AVC that is Audio and Video Coding, NAT Network Address Translation, NIC Network Interface Card, NIIT National Institute of Information Technology, NTP Network Time Protocol, NTFS New Technology File System, OMR Optical Mark Reader or Recognition, OOP Object Oriented Programming, OS Operating System, OpenGL Open Graphics Library, OSI Open System Interconnection, PC Personal Computer, PPP0A Point-to-Point Protocol over ATM, PPP0E Point-to-Point Protocol over Internet, PDF Portable Document Format, PHP Hypertext Processor, PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, PB Petabyte, PIB PB-Byte, PNG Portable Network Graphics, PNP Plug and Play, PDA Personal Digital Assistant, PDU Protocol Data Unit or Power Distribution Unit, PPP Point-to-Point Protocol, PAN Personal Area Network, PROM Programmable Read-Only Memory, PCI Peripheral Component Interconnect, POST Post Power on Self-Test, PSU Power Supply Unit, PING Packet Internet or Internetwork Grouper, RAM Random Access Memory, RDBMS Relational Database Management System, ROM Read-Only Memory, RIP Routing Information Protocol, RPM Revolutions per Minute, RTF Rich Text Format, SMPS Switch Mode Power Supply, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SRAM, SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. SAM, Software Assist Management or Sequential Access Method. SNAP, Subnetwork Access Protocol. SNOBOL, Snowball, String Oriented Symbolic Language. SDD, Solid State Drive. SDD Software. SIU, Serial Interface Unit. SMS, Short Message Service. SQL, Structure Query Language. TB, Terabyte. TIB, TB-byte. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. TBPS, Terabytes per second. TXT, Text. TAPI, Telephony Application Programming Interface. UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. UHF, Ultra High Frequency. USB, Universal Serial Bus. UNIVAC, UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer or Universal Non-Integrated Vacuum Actuated Computer. UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply. UI, User Interface. VAN, WAN, Value Added Network. VDU, Visual Display Unit. VIRUS, Virus, Vital Information Resource Under Siege. VCD, Video Compact Disc. VHF, Very High Frequency. VGA, Video Graphics Array or Video or Visual Graphics Adapter. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. VRAM, VRAM, Video Random Access Memory. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VRML, Virtual Reality Modeling Language. WAN, WAN, Wide Area Network. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. WORM, Write Once, Read Many. WWW, World Wide Web. WBMP, Wireless Bitmap Image. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. WMV, Windows Media Video. WML, Wireless Markup Language. WINS, Windows Internet Name Service. WMA, Windows Media Audio. XT, Extended Technology. XMF, Extensible Music File. XML, Extensible Markup Language. XMS, Extended Memory Specification. XHTML, Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XSL, Extensible Style Language. Yahoo, yet another hierarchical official oracle. YB, Yottabyte. YIB, YobiByte. ZB, Zettabyte. ZIB, ZBbyte. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.